I'm today in front of me Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first we should go into the settings application and then click here on the sounds and vibration. Now just tap on the volume section, and just to mute your device ringtone you should swipe this dot to the left side with your finger. And also we got the second way how we can do that, but first be sure that in volume button control you got turn it off this switcher. And now with our volume buttons, we can by press our down volume button we can also mute our device ringtone. And also we got the third way how we can do that, just by use this volume panel. So you should press your up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and then swipe down with your finger this volume panel. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.